Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can fix Botim call connecting problem. Well, there's few things that you need to make sure. So first thing is to make sure that you are having a good internet connection. So make sure that your Wi-Fi is good. So if you are using your cellular data, also make sure that your network connection is good. So if it's a Wi-Fi problem, try to restart your router or do something like that in order to fix it. And if it's not your internet problem, then it might be because Botim is restricted in your country. So if it is so, then try to use any sort of VPN in order to change your location and try to solve that problem like that. So even if that's not the problem, then another thing might be you using any sort of battery or data saver. So if you scroll down from your control panel, you can see this is the power saving mode. If it's turned on your phone like this, make sure that it is turned off. And another thing is to make sure that you're not using any kind of low data mode. So for that, you have to get to your settings, and on your settings you can simply tap on Wi-Fi, and currently here you can see this is the Wi-Fi that I'm connected to. Simply tap on this I like icon and then get to the settings, from which here you can see this is the low data mode. If it's turned on yours, you have to simply tap on it and make sure that it's turned off. Now another thing to make sure is simply get to your settings, and on your settings scroll all the way down and then tap on apps. So after doing that, here search for Botim. Here you can see this is the Botim. Tap on it and get to the settings of it, and just like this, make sure that background app refresh is turned on your phone like that. So after making sure that, I'm pretty sure that it should be working, but if it's still not working, then you might want to offload the application. For that, get to the main settings. Just like this, we're on the main settings, and from here scroll down, tap on general, and then from here tap on iPhone storage, and from here you can scroll down until you see all of the applications. From here you'll have to search for Botim application, tap on show all in order to see all of the application. Here you can see Botim, tap on it and then tap on offload app. Tap on offload app one more time, and just like this, we have successfully offloaded the application. Tap on reinstall app, and within few minutes your application will be reinstalled, and like that all of the cache will be cleared off this applications, and like that if there were any kind of bugs, it will all be fixed. So after doing this, I'm pretty sure that your Botim call will be connecting, but if it's still not doing that, then the final thing that you can do is try to update your application. So again, go back to App Store, and in here simply search for Botim, just like this, and in here you can see this is the Botim application. Tap on it, and currently we can only see open option because my application is up to date. If it requires any kind of update, there will be the option of update. All you need to do is, and within few seconds your application will successfully be updated. And that is it. These were some few steps that you can try in order to fix your Botim call connecting problem. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.